What is this awful weather? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing really well. Really extra really in there. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you, believe it or not, another bargain homeware haul. So I've got loads of nice things from Home Bargains to share with you, but I also have loads of gorgeous things from a site called Fab Finds. I'd never used Fab Finds before, I hadn't heard of them either, but they got in touch with me and asked me if I wanted to collaborate with them, offered to send me some things for me to show on my YouTube channel so I can let you guys know what I think of them, and I'm really impressed. The items that I have been sent, I am super impressed with. The prices are very reasonable and fair, I think. And yeah, I think there is a lot of lovely things on the website. If you've not heard of them before, they're very similar to like Home Bargains and B&M. They sell a little bit of everything as well, just like those sites. They also have a great offer on makeup products where you can get 5 for 4. So obviously putting 5 in your basket and then it automatically takes off money for the cheapest item out of the 5, which I think is really good. They've got a great range of makeup on there. They also have really nice homeware. You got all your cleaning products. It's like a one-stop shop, which is just what I love. And yeah, I can't wait to show you what I got. I also have a discount code as well, so if you have never ordered from there before and you want to check them out, then I've got a discount code that will get you 10% off. So yeah, definitely go and have a look at that. I will leave all the details down below. So I'm going to go through all the Fab Find items first, and then I will go on to show you what I got from Home Bargains. So the things that I got were all quite random, like there's a little bit of everything, so I can give you a really good review of the website and tell you what I think, because I just went for a bit of everything. This was something that I spotted. It's quite large. I need to get back a bit actually. Camera's a little bit close to my face for this. This gorgeous log basket, this was $19.99. It is huge. I am just basket crazy. I am a basket lady. I really love them at the minute. It's got really thick sturdy rope handles on it. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. It says it's a log basket, but I'm obviously probably going to put throws in it because you need a basket to keep all your throws in when you're an excessive throw buyer. So yeah, I just think these look quite nice as a decoration around the room as well, if you just have like some throws and cushions in them, you know, for your guests to come and grab a throw when it's a bit chilly or when you're watching a film. I just think it really makes the room feel a lot cozier. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. I like the colour as well of the wicker. You could of course use it as a wash basket as well, or for actually keeping logs in if you were lucky enough to have an open fireplace. I also got one of these, which I've been after actually, so I'm really pleased that I spotted it. And it's a similar colour to the under sink bathroom caddy thing that I got from B&M. So this was only $12.99. I just wanted to put toilet rolls and bleach in and similar things that are in the picture, because I have a separate toilet bathroom area. I just hate it, but it'd be quite nice to have something in the little toilet room to put toilet rolls in and them not be on show. So I thought this would be handy to keep the bleach and everything in as well, to keep out the way. Not that the kids go anywhere near that sort of thing, but it is just nice to have it out the way, isn't it? So yeah, $12.99 for that. They also had it in white, I think. Handy little storage. You obviously don't need to just use it in the bathroom either. You could use it somewhere else. I don't know how big it is exactly. Be quite good little shoe storage maybe. I don't know, but yeah, storage. We just all love and need storage, don't we? So it's going to come in handy no matter where I have it. Okay, next to show you is these shampoo and conditioners. I just really liked the look of the packaging. I have never heard of this brand before. 8888 it's called, and it is coconut milk shampoo and conditioner, and I really love the smell of coconut. Cannot stand the taste at all, but love the smell of it. I just thought these look really nice. I thought these are going to look nice in the bathroom as well. If you care about that kind of thing, having like nice bottles and things on display, I think they look very high end. They were $3.99 each. I didn't actually realise they'd be as big as this, so that's even better. They're a really good size, so they should last a while. Obviously, I don't know whether they're any good or not. I'll have to let you know. Coconut milk is known for restoring dry, damaged and brittle hair as well as split ends, so that's kind of what I need. so I'm hoping that it's going to be a nice shampoo and conditioner. I also got some of this Aveeno bath and shower oil, so I'm hoping, because I've said before, Archie and Toby actually have eczema. Archie's is quite severe and it's slowly getting a little bit better, but he's got a lot of things that irritate his skin. One thing that he has for the bath, he has like a cream. It's not his favourite thing in the world to have, but obviously it's what's good for his skin. But we have had Aveeno before, and I just thought I would get him some of this shower oil and just see if he liked having that, because I know he doesn't always like having this cream on that is like a soap substitute, so I thought that might be quite nice for him when he has a shower. And if not, I'm sure that I will love it as well, because I get really dry skin. And that was $3.99 for this one. I also got this shower gel that was also $3.99. This is a Baylis and Harding one, and it is jojoba, how do you say that? Jojoba silk and almond oil, and it is a luxury bath soap. I bet it smells really nice. I always love Baylis and Harding. That smells gorgeous. I love that. That smells good enough to eat. And again, lovely bottle. I do appreciate a nice bit of packaging when thought's gone into the packaging, and it's going to look nice if you keep it out. I would personally prefer to have all bottles put away in the bathroom, but it drives Peter mad and he likes to have things like to hand. So that's fair enough really, because when you're in the shower and you can't find the shampoo, that's a bit annoying, isn't it? So if I've tidied everything away. But yeah, I do think this looks quite nice if you have this on your bath board. I also got some of this Comfort Intense fabric conditioner. I love Comfort. I always think they smell amazing. This has got 60 washes and it was £3.49. It's all really well wrapped as well, like everything that's come in the boxes is made sure that it's not going to leak everywhere. So yeah, I am sure that is going to smell beautiful. I also got some of this liquid detergent for $2.99. So this is a limited edition one that Surf are doing, and it is frosted pine and apple scent. Well, that sounds nice. And there is 25 washes in that one, so yeah, I'm sure that is going to be lovely to use. I also got some of this. I didn't actually need any cleaning things, but this just intrigued me and I thought it looked like it was going to be really good. It's by a brand called Easy Fragrances, and it is a ready-to-use disinfectant, and it is coconut milk scented. So I might have a little spray. Be alright to spray it, won't it? Oh yes, very nice. I do like that. So yeah, I picked that up, which was, did I say how much it was? I feel ever so scatty today. I feel like I keep forgetting what I'm doing and what I've said. £1.49, I feel like I did say it. I'm all over the place today, honestly. I also got another candle. I do love a nice jarred candle, and this looks very similar to good old Yankee Candle. It smells incredible. I've smelled it already. It smells really lovely and fresh and clean, and it is in fresh linen scent. It was $3.99 as well, so real bargain price. Looks nice as well, the kind of thing that looks nice on display even if you're not really burning it very often. And yeah, I do love these, and I love to keep the jars afterwards just to store things in, because they've got the good sealed lids, and yeah, you just can't go wrong. So a good Yankee dupe there, which is Fragrance by Liberty Candles, this make is. I actually got some of this, which I didn't mean to get now I'm looking at it. It is I thought it was dry shampoo, but it's actually root concealer spray for blonde hair. My roots aren't actually blonde anyway, even though I'm obviously like 3 shades of colour at the minute. But yeah, I don't know whether I'll be able to use that. Can that be used as a dry shampoo as well? I mean, these are really cool, aren't they? I have seen people use these and it's just amazing, where you can just literally cover up any colour coming through when you've not had time to go to the hairdressers or get it dyed. Like, and obviously through lockdown, I'm sure they were a lifesaver, and I could definitely do with sorting my roots out. But yeah, I don't know whether this is going to work as well on my hair because it's quite dark at the roots. We shall see. I'll still try it out. This was $2.99 for this. I do think they're a very good product for when you're in between getting your hair done. Then some other like beauty product things that I got. I actually got this, which, well, I didn't get this. This was a freebie. So another great thing with them, I think they put in a free item when you spend over a certain amount. So this, they've sent me a Vaseline hand cream, which is a perfect size for your handbag, and we all need hand cream at the moment with all the hand sanitizer that we're putting on constantly. So that's nice that they just had like a little gift in. I got these Malibu Lip Balm, so I got a pack of 3 because if the sun ever shines, then I know that my lips get quite dry in the summer. And these are great because they will protect you from the sun. They are suitable for children. If I've got 3, then I can send, if the boys need them for school when it's hot, I can send them in with one of them as well. I don't know what flavour we've got. Watermelon flavour, mint and vanilla. So yeah, they will definitely come in handy in this house, and like I say, can send the kids off to school with them. Keeps you protected from the sun, just a good all-rounder. So it's got 30 SPF in it, and it is extra resistant to sun, sweat and water. And these were $2.99. I also got one of these that I haven't seen before, and I just thought this would come in handy. It is a concealer blending sponge. This was $2.99 and it is a L'Oreal product. So it's just literally like the little beauty blender sponge, but on a stick, on a handle. So you can use it to blend in under your eyes and things like that. I think it'll really help me out actually. So yeah, I picked up one of them. I also got this Bardot Booster Brow, and it is in the shade Black Brown. So it's a semi-permanent brow gel. So I'm hoping if it builds and shapes my eyebrows, I mean the before and after on the lady on the back, well that looks fabulous. I'm hoping that I can just, you know, make my eyebrows look a little bit less terrible. It's smudge and waterproof eyebrow gel, and it contains a revolutionary fibre-like complex that mimics your brow hairs and creates a binding element to add volume and shape. Well, I'm really excited to try this out. It says the result is immaculate eyebrows, perfectly shaped that lasts. Wow, only $2.99 for that, and even better if you do the offer with the makeup. I also got some of this as well. I've bought this before and completely forgot about it actually until I saw it on the website and thought, oh, I really liked that. It is the Rimmel Insta Strobing, so it's just like an illuminating primer. So I would just put it under my makeup most of the time, or you can use it as a highlighter. And it is, how much is it? Is the question. All very reasonably priced makeup. $2.99 for that one. I also got one of these. Not very exciting, but I just really could do with one just to make my life easier when I'm getting rid of the old weeds in the garden. So yeah, I just thought I would get one of them as well. It was £1.49. Good for just scraping the weeds out. You know, pretty self-explanatory, but this is what I mean. One of them websites just does a bit of everything. You get a bit of everything. I also got some of these. These aren't for me, these are for Peter. I'm not a big fan of Dime Bars. Everyone I know loves them, but I just don't really like the crunchy texture of the caramel in them. But I spotted them, thought I'd be a nice wife and thought I'd get him some. It's not very often that I would be buying him chocolate that's not going to get eaten by me, but these are safe. So there is a 3-pack of these, and that is £1 for the 3 of them. And I also got some of these Tassimo pods. These were $3.99 I think, which I think is pretty standard in like Home Bargains and places. Yeah, $3.99 to get them from places like that, so it's not like overpriced or anything. That is the kind of standard price that you can get them on offer for. I got the Oreo Hot Chocolates for Archie, to be honest, because he loves Oreos so much, and he also really likes it. If I have a coffee on the coffee machine, he likes to be the one to press the button for me. So I think he will love the fact that he can have one of these that uses the coffee machine, and I think he's going to feel really grown up. Obviously me helping him make one, I'm not just going to leave him to go and make his own hot chocolate, but yeah, I think he's going to enjoy the fact that he can put the pod in and all of that stuff. So you get 8 Oreo hot chocolates in there. They also had the Milka ones on the website, and I nearly got them as well because I reckon the Milka ones will taste better, but I got the Oreo ones because he just loves Oreo so much. So that is everything that I got from Fab Finds. I'm very, very happy. I think prices are reasonable, all really well packed. So yeah, I would definitely check them out. There's, like I say, a discount code for 10% off. So I'll leave all the details for the website down below, and also that discount code so you can get 10% off your first order. I would definitely recommend checking them out if you don't want to head out to the shops and you want to order some stuff. Now moving on to Home Bargains, where I've just got a few things, a couple of things that I've already bought that I said I would buy again because I'm out of control. I haven't got the receipt though, which is just so typical. Oh, I tell a lie. Yes, I have got the receipt because I ordered these online. I didn't buy them in the store because, if you don't know, and I do like to go on about this, but Home Bargains does have a good selection of things on the website. So all of these were off the website, so I can tell you how much things were. So I got this throw, which is a Jeff Banks Portacall chunky knit throw in the colour grey, and this was $16.99. So I'm reckoning it's going to be quite a good size. It's really, really soft. It's a really nice knitted throw. I mean, normally by now I'd be feeling like don't need throws on me all the time, but I'm still putting the heating on some days because I just think the weather is just that awful that I am still very much wanting to feel cozy and cuddled up on the sofa with a lot of throws in the evening. And again, like I say, putting them in baskets and things is just my thing. I just really like a lot of throws around the house. So this, I thought, was a good price. I'm sure the boys are going to love it as well because they love to sit with a throw on them. So yeah, I got that. I also got one of these throws, and I can't see this on my receipt at all for some reason, which is a bit strange because I definitely ordered it with all this stuff. But this wasn't very expensive, I know that much. Normally these types of throws are only like $3.99 or something. This is another grey colour, but it's like a checked one, and yeah, again, just for having around nice on the sofa. This next item was my main reason actually that I even ordered anything, because I've been after these. I see these on people's hauls and I really wanted one, so I bought two because they were on the website. They are still on the website last time I checked actually. These were $8.99 each. No, $7.99 each. I thought I'd get two because I want one in the garden, and then I thought I might put one like on the gate or something. They've got like a hook there for you to obviously hang them up. I do love me a bit of topiary. I mean, it'd be great if it was real, but I'm not going to be able to maintain that. And $7.99 I think is a good price. They sell out so quick though. This is why I got two as well, because I thought I'm going to end up wanting another one, and I know that they're really popular. So if you are after one, I hope they've still got them online for you. I also got myself another two of these baskets. You might have seen that I included one in my last Home Bargains haul. Was it my last Home Bargains haul? Probably, yeah. And I was just obsessed with it, and I have put flowers with it on the shelf. Love it so much, wanted some more. Might actually put some flowers in these, which is what they're intended for, because they've got the plastic lining attached to them so that you can put plants in. I think they would look gorgeous with plants in on the decking area. Yeah, I just love them. I just think these would be so handy for so many things. Even if I don't use them to put plants in or anything, you could use them as gift hampers. How nice would that be with a load of like bath and beauty products in for somebody, like thinking of like Christmas. I know it's not anywhere near Christmas, but putting lovely goodies in for someone, a food hamper. Like, I just think that these things can make something look so much better sometimes if you put it in a basket and just present something nicely. And yeah, just for storing things in the kitchen in there. You could have a really big fruit bowl or a bread basket. Yeah, I think these are really a good price considering they're only $3.99 as well. So I wanted to get my hands on a couple more because I know I will find use for them. And another item I said I would buy again because I've already bought one and love it so much was one of these faux rabbit fur rugs. So I bought one, and again showed it in my last haul. It's like deja vu, isn't it? And I just thought I'm gonna get another one of them for $8.99 or $7.99. I know it was one of them. $8.99 for these, and I've just been putting them on the sofa, and they're just really cozy it up. I've got both of them on the sofa at the minute. But yeah, if you've got grey decor and you just want yourself a little fur rug, they're really inexpensive, because I know that they do them in B&M and they're like £20 I think, and I always think they're quite overpriced. Whereas yeah, $8.99 I think it isn't a bad price for one of these, and it's so soft. It really feels lovely and really nice quality. And there we go guys, that is everything for today's video. Whew! Another homeware haul. I am going to leave details below for you to have a look at Fab Finds. Like I say, everything from Home Bargains was on the website. If you were interested in any of it, make sure you check out the website to see if you can get your hands on it. I know things come in and out of stock quite quickly, but they add things every day as well, so I'm checking all the time because I'm just a loser. And I'm homeware obsessed. But yeah, that is everything that I got today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It means the world, and I will see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.